When you see this competitive environment here at NPLC, it really motivates you. Have to read newspaper religiously, at least from the very beginning. From 2 years, people have been reading newspapers, and I think once it gets inculcated as a habit within your routine, uh, moving forward, it also helps with exams like UPSC and all those exams where GK is immense. So.
Okay, hi everyone. So we have Sara today with us. Sara has been a student with us for past 1 year, and the reason Sara is sitting with me because she has got an All India rank of 236 in CLAT 2026. So this interview, this interaction is basically to understand Sara's journey, to understand how exactly one prepares that somebody gets a high rank as 236. So welcome Sara. How are you? How have you been?
Sir, I'm great, content and satisfied.
How does it feel? Does it feel that if all the preparations done is worth?
I think it all worked out in the end, and I feel everything I've done till now, all the hard work which has been put in, and the journey throughout, I think it has all worked out.
So everything worked out well. So great, Sara Otana. So Sara, before we delve into your mode of preparation and what struggles did you face, how challenging was it, right? If you can just tell something about yourself, so possibly people will be able to connect.
So hi, my name is Sara, obviously, and I am studying at Sanskriti School, New Delhi. And my subjects currently are English, political science, history, legal studies, and PE.
Okay, Sara. So these are all humanities subjects.
Yeah.
So my next question would be that, why law? Because I know your background, your father is into IAS. Now, you chose doing law with humanities subjects. Any particular reason you chose humanities or law? Or was it a general, you generally like law as a profession?
So I think it was a very general choice. I generally liked legal studies. I even have it as a subject in school. And when I talk to people in my family from the UPSC background and the entire humanities background, DO and all, so I feel they really encouraged me to choose law as a career option, and I feel it really secures you a degree. So I feel.
Okay. So what do you mean to say that eventually you would also want to try civil services, and and law is like sort of if it doesn't
a backup,
work,
if it doesn't
I got it. So I know so many students as we have couple of them, so they're all heading towards UPSC, and national law schools or maybe a good law school is a fallback option for them, which is great, Sara, and this is very valid as well. Now, Sara, what I need to understand is, okay, you worked hard, you would have given mocks and everything. Now, how many mocks did you write?
I think around 100 to 120 mocks.
Okay, so you wrote 100 to 120 mocks, right? So Sara, 100 to 120 मॉक्स लिखा, पेपर के बारे में एक परसेप्शन बन गया कि 5 सेक्शन होता है, इंग्लिश है, पूरा कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बेस्ड है, लॉजिकल है, उसमें मोस्टली क्रिटिकल पूछते हैं, थोड़ा सा एनालिटिकल पूछते हैं, लीगल आएगा, लीगल में कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आएगा, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे, जीके आएगा, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. पर जब पेपर आता है तो वो कुछ और ही था. जस्ट हाईलाइट योर 2 hours on 7th 2 to 4. What happened?
So initially when I opened the paper, the first section I saw was maths. For me, for my set, the first section was maths, and then I had legal, then GK, and then logical and English at the very end. So the order for me to attempt a paper is English, and then GK, and then legal, and then logical, and then at the end maths. So when I was going through the paper, I think English was fairly easy. I didn't feel any difficulty in doing the vocabulary and all of that. So that was fairly a decent paper. And then when I attempted GK, I think it was a easy paper. Some of the questions I did not know, so I think that brought down my rank a little bit. Yeah, GK specifically. And logical, when I saw the paper that it was all analytical and nothing was there from CR, I mean, I wasn't taken aback for like particularly because AR is my forte and I enjoy doing AR. So I didn't really notice कि something is different in the paper.
अच्छा, you didn't even
Yeah,
realize.
I didn't notice only. I realized बाद में कि अरे CR तो था ही नहीं. So
You were so engrossed doing the paper that you didn't
I didn't
realize.
notice only कि CR wasn't there. So at the end, legal was also a section that was fine for me, except that 129th amendment वाले जो GK specific आ गए थे. But overall, the paper went decent, and I tried to remain calm and composed during the paper. So I think that really helps.
Okay, so these alterations and basically CLAT failed in surprising you.
Yeah.
Okay, so CLAT surprised everybody else except for you, right? Okay, I got it, Sarah. So Sarah, so when we move ahead, right, and when we try to figure out कि तुम्हारा कैसा preparation का journey था, एक तो overall बताओ कि कितना मुश्किल था, कितना challenging था, or was it a cakewalk for you? Of course, I know it. It is just for the audience.
So it wasn't cakewalk at all, because there have been highs and lows throughout. Like in the beginning, in January, February, I wasn't that serious about giving the exam. It was like, "Arey, ho jayega." But when you see this competitive environment here at NPLC, it really like motivates you. "Arey, itne number kahan se aa rahe hain?" Like, and for Devik, Siddhant, and Ashnoor, all these people have been very bright consistently from the beginning. So just seeing them perform well consistently, I think encourages you to go that extra mile and perform better here at NPLC. So in the end, there were like a few moments where I felt very disheartened when mock scores went down and all of that happened. But I felt it's all part of the journey, so everything works out.
Okay, that's great. So yeah, one thing which everybody has highlighted during the interviews today is that it was too much of competition at center.
Yeah.
So the things were very competitive, and that all of us, we were driven by that your sense of कि मुझे ऊपर आना है and all. So that I think I was successful at least doing this, right? Okay, great. So Sarah, my next question is, so you told that the preparation was not a cakewalk. So एक सब्जेक्ट ऐसा जरूर होता है जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा ट्रबल करता है in the course of preparation. तुम्हारे लिए वो क्या था?
Sir, it would be tough to just say one section, because I feel both GK and logical, particularly CR and logical, were challenging for me, but mostly GK, I think, because GK for everyone, you can't particularly assign a set syllabus for GK. Anything can come out of anywhere. So I think that is a section where you really need to work hard and put in effort. And apart from that, CR, I was never good at CR, like ever. Matlab, even the target tests and the mocks, every time my score would fall, it would be because of logical,
the critical side.
Yeah, critical side.
So okay, so critical, I think that way it was a boon.
Yeah,
right?
for me.
For you, right? Okay. So critical में तो क्या ठीक है अपनी जगह, but GK के साथ, so whoever I asked कि भाई कौन सा पोर्शन तुमको सबसे ज्यादा इरिटेट कर रहा है, so they said कि सर GK. तो GK कैसे किया? How exactly did you do it?
Sir, everything that you gave, nothing extra I did. But I think what you post in the group and the PDFs, the target tests, the mock, I think they're more than enough to prepare you for the exam. Because इतना कोई नहीं करके आता है. You always say कि मुझे तुम्हारे competitors पे ज़्यादा भरोसा है तुमसे. So जितना हम लोग करके जाते हैं in the exam, उतना कोई नहीं करके आता है. So GK specifically, I did previous mocks also. Like in the end stage of my preparation, I looked back at my previous mock performances and the GK that came in those papers. And apart from that, the targets which you posted, the end wale revision series, that was also very helpful.
That was helpful. Okay, got it, Sarah. Now, Sarah, मुझे एक चीज बताओ. Mock and mock analysis. Mock तो 120, 140 जितना भी लिखे, 100 लिखे, whatever. Mock और mock analysis कितना important exercise है पूरे process में?
I think, sir, it's the most important part, extremely important. Unless and until you don't know where you are prone to make mistakes and where you should not make mistakes again. I think the deliberations, discussions we had in the Google Meets that you had with us, I think they're very important. But apart from that, in life, where you look back upon those moments where you remember, acha, he said this point in a particular mock, and if you remember that aage chalke in life, so I think that's also very important. It helps you grow as a person. The arguments you hear, when somebody counters you or rebuts you, I think they're also very important moving forward in life.
So mock analysis helps.
Yeah, extremely.
And Sarah, how about newspaper reading?
So I was not very regular, at least in the end. But I think you have to read newspaper religiously, at least from the very beginning. From like 2 years, people have been reading newspapers, and I think once it gets inculcated as a habit within your routine, moving forward, it also helps with exams like UPSC and all those exams where GK is immense. So
I'll tell you, Sarah, considering you are preparing for and you are planning to prepare for UPSC, I have a couple of my students who went to NLU Delhi and Bangalore or NUJS, Jodhpur, Bhopal. So what they told me, and they all wrote UPSC, and I think barring one, everybody has got through. So उन सब ने एक चीज़ कहा मुझे कि सर हम लोग एक ही हैबिट जो था वो क्लैट के बाद छोड़े नहीं, दैट वाज न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग. वी कंटिन्यूड दिस. 95% ऑफ द पीपल, जैसे ही ये क्लैट का एग्जाम खत्म हुआ, दे हैव स्टॉप्ड रीडिंग कि बस अब हो गया. बट इफ यू विश टू परसू यूपीएससी, यू नीड टू कीप दिस हैबिट ऑन. इसको अभी एंड तक करते रहो, हाफ योर सिलेबस विल बी over. And I can tell you, I know so many people of students who started their UPSC journey right after 12th while they were preparing. क्योंकि ये सारे एग्जाम्स का नेचर बहुत सारा उसी के जैसे है, राइट? जस्ट दैट कि इनका सिलेबस छोटा है एंड ये सारा कुछ वैसा है. ओके, ग्रेट सारा. सो सारा, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू वुड बी, दो क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट, डू यू थिंक यू मेड एन एरर वाइल प्रिपेयरिंग? इस हिसाब से पूछ रहे हैं, क्या तुमको लगता है कि कुछ और ऐसा किए होते कि ये जो 236 का रैंक है वो 36 आ जाता, या फिर उस 2 घंटे में आई मेड फ्यू एरर्स जो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो अगर तुमको फिर से एक बार क्लैट का पेपर देने के लिए मिल जाए वही पेपर, कौन कौन सा वो गलतियां हैं, विच ऑल मिस्टेक्स यू वुड नॉट वांट टू रिपीट व्हाट यू रिपीटेड इन दोस 2 hours? एंड अगर तुमको लगता है कि इवन द वे आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग, मुझे कुछ ऐसा था, चीज था जो नहीं करना चाहिए था या करना चाहिए था, सो इफ यू कैन हाईलाइट बोथ ऑफ देम.
So I think during preparation, towards the end, I maybe stopped reading the newspaper, which was sort of a drawback for me, at least for GK. So I feel like if I continued reading the newspaper more religiously, it would have helped in the journey and in GK during the paper. And during the paper, I felt like even though I was calm and composed, somewhere the exam pressure is still there. So maybe if I was attempting the GK wala section or the legal wala section, I should have been more that, oh, it's just an exam. Matlab, that feeling during the exam ki, oh, this paper decides the entire journey, and where you go to the college. So I feel I should have been more calm.
And in those 2 hours?
In those 2 hours, I feel the GK section brought me down, and legal also, the GK specific part. So for that, ultimately it's newspaper and GK. You can't really change what you know.
Got it.
Yeah.
Correct. Got it, Sarah. Right. No, it's so great, Sarah. होता है ना, like, that was a wonderful, insights. So I think things look very good now because वो अंत में अच्छा स्कोर हो जाता है, अच्छा रैंक आ जाता है. So everything starts looking bright, right? अब क्या, अब next, what is the next? बोर्ड एग्जाम्स होंगे and all. So अभी प्री बोर्ड्स वगैरह कुछ है क्या अभी?
Abhi, I have pre-boards in January and board practicals also will start.
So now these things will start.
Yeah.
Right? ठीक है, but at least you know where exactly are you heading towards.
Yeah.
Next 5 years at least तुमको पता तो है कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, right? Which is great, Sarah. So congratulations once again. I think this is a very well-deserved success. बहुत मेहनत से आया हुआ है, तो इसको enjoy करो. And आगे भी we'll keep meeting. We'll have a celebration in first week of January, तो उसको करेंगे. बाकी सारा होता है कीप इन टच एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Thank you.